We are still on arithmetic progression. Please don't forget to subscribe to my video if you have not, and as well share my video, comment if there is any topic that you would like me to treat in my next video. You can you can comment it so that we will work together as a team, and try, like I said before, try to share my video so that other people will benefit as well. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to find the common difference and what APs of what of a sequence. Okay, and we are going to practice that with the question that we have on the board. And in this question, we are given what? We are given the 90 term as what? 55. That is, T9 is given as what? 55. While the first term, which is A, is given as what? 7. Now we are asked to find the common difference, which is D. It is unknown. Now, for us to find the common difference, we are going to do that by using the formula we use in calculating the n term of an AP, which is TA is equal to A plus bracket open n minus 1 bracket closes D. So next thing that I will do now will be, I will substitute the values, which is T9 is equal to, the first term is given as 7 plus bracket open, n is what? Is 9. So 9 minus 1 bracket closes. The common difference is what we are looking for, which is equal to what? 55. Okay, so I have substituted all the values that they gave us in what? In the formula we use in calculating the nth term of an AP. So the next thing that I will do now will be, I will simplify, which is Tn is equal to 7 plus 9 minus 1 will give us 8. 8 times d will give us 8d. Now 8d is equal to 55, which is 8d is equal to 55. When this 7 crosses the equality sign, the sign will change to minus. We will now have minus 7. 8d is equal to 48. Divide both sides by what? By 8. Divide both sides by 8. And when you do, we will have d as what? 48 divided by 8 will give us what? 6. Meaning that the common difference that we are looking for is what? Is 6. And then the next thing that they ask us here is what? Is to find the APs. Now for the APs will become, from the question, we have the first term as 7. So I will write 7 plus 6. It will give us 13. 13 plus 6 will give us 19. 19 plus 6 will give us 25. 25 plus 6 will give us 31. And so on and so forth. Okay, so that is how to find the APs. If you know the first term and the common difference, you will be adding the common difference. Okay, and as you are adding the common difference, you will be generating the next terms. So that is how to do it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.